Right now I'm using the DJI Mic as it's intended to be used, as a wireless microphone. I've got it clipped on here just with the magnet. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is the need for an accessory when basically the full kit gives you essentially everything you need? And what accessory might I be talking about? So as you can see here, you've got the included accessories, you've got the wireless charging case for the DJI Mic, you've got the USB-C adapter, which is plugged into my laptop at the moment, you've got the lightning adapter, you've got the two windscreens, you've also got the hot shoe adapter and the TRS cable, which is basically you can use for aux cable as well. I use it for my amplifier for my guitar, so I can also practice vocals. There's just a better look there at the hot shoe adapter. We've also got there a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and you've got the carrying pouch, which is not in frame at the moment. Now, I've been talking long enough throughout this video without first identifying what the accessory I'm referring to is. So it's this particular magnetic adapter that is actually a accessory for the DJI Action Osmo 2, which has a magnetic attachment. They did change that design for the Osmo Action 3 back to the OG, back to the original design. But basically what it is, it's got a little magnetic attachment here, which is absolutely perfect for the DJI Mic, and I'll show you how that works in a second. And it's also got a little quarter-inch mount here, which you can, similar to action cameras, basically you can just mount it in a variety of stands, tripods, as well as action grips. I'll show you the practical use of this in a sec. Also got this here, which is the same mount but with a ball mount adapter, and basically it's got a reusable adhesive which you can stick onto like a car dash, or even in any realistic situation where you need to have a fixed microphone position that you don't want to basically wear as a wireless microphone. It's making this already versatile microphone system even more versatile. So as you can see here, I've got the adapter now attached via the quarter-inch screw mount to my GoPro 3-way mount. Props, by the way, to Stuart and Alina, the channel where I got the idea for this from, and they've basically demonstrated something similar. As you can see here, got the magnet off of my DJI mic. That's what I need to do to put it on properly. And yeah, it just snaps on like that. Nice and easy, and you've got a beautiful little studio mic there. For voiceover work, you don't need to necessarily, it's great that you can mic it up, but you might not need to, and you might not want to hold it up like a microphone. This way it gives you some stability, which I really like. So once again, definitely credit to Stuart and Alina for the idea, that particular channel. I've just kind of implemented it with my own variation of equipment. Now, I will link everything. You can definitely do this particular variation with the new 3-way 2.0 mount. This is the original 3-way mount. I don't believe you can do the extended view, which is what I'm going to do in the next shot. Now here you can see the anatomy of it, basically showing you how that adapter screws into any particular grip that can handle an action quarter-inch screw. And here you can see the extended mount of the GoPro 3-way, and I've just got the mic attached there magnetically. As you can see, very solid, not falling off, and it's basically like a cool little boom mic, if you will. Use it to catch audio in areas you can't personally walk up to, potentially. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So hope you've enjoyed watching, and this has given you some ideas of how you can extend your functionality of your DJI mic, and yeah, have a good one.